discovering the hidden gems of Yogyakarta, Java, Indonesia. Welcome to Yogyakarta, where every street tells a story. We start our journey on a traditional bikak, that slow three-wheeled pedal rickshaw, gliding through busy streets filled with scooters and cars, yet moving in harmony. First, we visit a traditional batik workshop, where artisans patiently craft beautiful textiles using age-old techniques.
Hello, madam. Hello, sir. Please sit down for 1 minute.
Yeah.
I would like to give little information to our collection. So in this collection, we are working together with 25 different artists.
Okay.
So you can see we have so many different style of painting because there's a lot of different artists. Over here is it the traditional technique of painting from Yogyakarta. Is it called batik? You understand my English, okay?
Yeah.
Thank
It's
you.
very good.
So batik is with on cloth. Is it cotton? Sarung and painting is the same, it's cotton. And then the technique, we do it with wax. So this is already wax because we want to keep the white cloth. How to do it? We still using the traditional instrument. This is the pen of the wax. How to do it? We have to heat the wax to get melt. Then after liquid or hot enough, we scoop the wax with this pen, and then we do like that. For line, for blocking.
It's
for
very
dot.
minutious, huh?
Yeah, we do with a lot of different size. I mean the hole here, yeah? The hole is many different size. Like when we paint with the brush, we do it with many size. Yeah? Or you can feel, please. This is not color, but this is his wax.
Yeah.
This is his wax. And then after this, we put it, this painting in the color. We dip it at the color. So then everything become color except where is the wax. Wax this. And please, Mr. and Madam, if you interesting to see more, is it all unique? So please you can open one by one like this. Don't worry to touch it.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's cool, no?
Yeah, have a look please. Relax slowly. When you interesting something, madam, is it for sale? Because we sell them off the batik is different than oil, but the batik is we sell without the fridge. How to carry off batik is in the bag. You can follow. Thank you.
Donasi seni patut ya donasi.
Gimana?
Donasi seni ya.
Yes. Lumbat. Yeah? Lumbat.
Luwak. Luwak. Animal luwak. Indonesia? Oh, güzel misin?
Then, a lively town square where locals gather, relax, and enjoy the local vibe.
This area here, Fortnite, open the net market after 4 o'clock. Yeah. After 4 o'clock afternoon, open the net market. So many like little plant. Ah, okay. Many in the shop. Yeah.
Trouwens, vanavond binnen we naar dat plein hier.
Zie je de markt eigenlijk?
Ja, nee, dat is zo gelijk.
Next, we stop at a Luwak coffee shop to learn about one of the world's most famous and expensive coffees. Whether you find its production fascinating or controversial, it's undeniably one of Indonesia's most iconic coffee traditions.
Yeah. This is the dry coffee berry. This is poop from the animal, and this is the clean one. Yeah. The first time Luwak come to our coffee plantation, they eat the red coffee berry. We have instinct to choose the red, the rivest and the sweet one. And then they eat the flesh of the coffee berry, but they can't digest the bean inside. The bean we will ferment that in the stomach around 6 hours and come out with the pieces like this. After that, we wash in the water and soaking in water for 3 days to choose the bad and the good one. The bad we will flow and the good we will sink. After that, we wash again in the running water to make sure the bean is really clean. Yeah. After clean, we will dry in the sun around 10 days and remove the peel. This is the peel, the hard skin. Yeah. And we control the green bean inside.
Oh, yeah.
This is the green bean. And we have the peel in. This is the peel. Here.
Ah, ja, ja.
Yeah, this hard skin.
Ja.
Yeah, this is the green bean. Yeah. After that, we will roasting. We have two types for the Luwak coffee, Arabica and Robusta. Arabica sour and sweet taste. Sorry.
Moeten daar een keer ruiken.
Sorry, ma'am. You can smell. This is Arabica. You can smell too. Sour and sweet. Yeah. And Robusta, bitter and stronger. This is the Robusta, bitter and stronger.
Ah, ja.
Prefer de Arabica. Direct.
Yeah, you want to smell? Yeah, Arabica more popular, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Luwak coffee.
And it's smelting better, I think.
Yeah.
So,
Luwak coffee is special coffee because it's less caffeine. How? If you want to see.
aber heeft hij met niks niet sweet.
Weer zo groot.
No.
When like music is happy man.
Yeah, indeed.
Good. Turun dito. I'm practically good. Sorry.
Yeah.
I like it. Atau siang ada teh. But the mayoritas is Muslim. Anywhere is Muslim.
Masalah.
After that, we head to a small family workshop making tempeh, a staple of Indonesian cuisine.
Like this, boiling, and then peel the skin of the soybean. Now they have the machine to peel the skin, but long time ago. It's still hot because it's just finished cooking. Yeah. This, yeah. Jadi dari stoknya mas, stoknya engine. Rest of the production. So this is for harvest, and this is not ready yet. And that you can see there is no seed in it. Maybe we can going closer up there.
Yeah. What means the flag?
Leaving the city, we arrive at the serene rice fields, where farmers explain local cultivation methods, showing how rice is planted and harvested by hand.
Yellow, green, and this is there is no rice yet in it. Yeah. So the rice from the beginning planting till harvest is need 3 months. Yeah.
Finally, we visit a pottery workshop, where craftspeople shape clay into elegant ceramics.
Banana.
As the day winds down, one thing is clear. Yogyakarta is more than a destination. It's a living blend of tradition, art, and everyday life. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Indonesian adventures.